My name is Elizabeth and I work at Village Home Stores. Today I'm excited to be joined by both of our owners again. Say hello to Adam and Collin.
Hello.
Hey guys.
Thanks for being with us again.
Village Home Stores is a locally owned kitchen and bath design center, and we offer a wide variety of products for both remodel and new home customers in the Quad Cities area. At Village, we design spaces that tell your story.
We offer complete kitchen and bath remodel project management services, and we also have multiple departments at Village. All of this is found in one location, under one roof, and we are excited to introduce a new category at Village Home Stores, custom closet systems. We have found a product that is made in the USA and aligns with the quality our customers expect from Village Home Stores. Expertly measured and planned and precisely installed custom closets, pantry spaces, laundry rooms, craft rooms, garages, mudrooms, party barns, hobby workshops, home offices, commercial spaces, and more. If you have a space to organize, we have a system that can be installed to champion that effort.
Village has installed a showroom here in Geneseo, Illinois, and we have already began installing projects around the Quad City area. With over 40 years in the home design and space planning business, our team can now offer our expert eye and skilled installation for custom closet projects.
Village Home Stores has many categories of products all in one location. Since 1984, Village Home Stores has been in the business of creating spaces that are crafted for personalized living. Now that we have added custom closets for our customers, we can offer a quality closet system space planned by our own design experts and installed by our staff carpenters. Our closet lineup is an opportunity to showcase our ability to customize every single room in your home. We offer a curated lineup of closet and organizational products made here in the USA. Total home organizational products align with the quality our customers have come to expect from Village Home Stores. Options that can fit any space or budget. We have the best space planning team in the Quad Cities for your project, and in-house staff carpenters to install your custom setup safely and efficiently. Village Home Stores offers 36 colors and 11 door and drawer styles. Select from a wide array of accessory and organizational options. We listen to our customers' needs and help guide every choice and detail, down to every shelf placement. Have closet inspiration you have seen online? We'd love to see it. Book a free in-store consultation and let's start the conversation about how you can better use the available space in your home. All we need to get started are basic measurements of your available wall widths and heights. Don't worry, we will come out and measure before ordering anything. General measurements will just give us a chance to start estimating what we can fit in space and within your budget. Snap a few reference photos with your phone or tablet so we can refer to them in our first meeting. Creating a truly personalized home in every room you use is our goal. Offering custom closet products in a variety of options is another way we can specify the right quality products for our customers. Contact Village Home Stores or stop by and see our new closet showroom in downtown Geneseo.